Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi, myself Aryan Zambre. I have created a presentation of fractional distillation plant with their composition and uses. So let's start our first slide. Distillation. Distillation is process of separating component or substance from a liquid mixture by selective boiling and condensation. Our next slide is fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is process in which vaporization of liquid mixture gives rise to a mixture of constituent from the desired component is separated in pure form. This method is known as rectification because a part of a vapor is condensed and returned to a liquid. This method is used to separate miscible volatile liquid whose boiling point are closed by the means of fractioning column. In this figure, you can see how this mixture is being processed. Let's move to our next slide, principle. From the operational point of view, fractional distillation is mass transfer process involving countercurrent diffusion of component at each equilibrium stage. When a liquid mixture is distilled, the particle condensation of a vapor is allowed to occur in fractioning column. Our next slide is how does it works. First, heat the mixture with different boiling point at high pressure. Second, the mixture start to boil and forming vapors. Third, the vapor rise to fractional distillation column. Fourth, the vapor condense in a column called condenser. Fifth, distillate is received in a receiving flask. Next, here you can see the distillation plant. Next slide is application. Fractional distillation is used for first, separating the miscible liquid such as acetone and water, chloroform and benzene. Second, preparation of alcohol, which is one of the most important pharmaceutical substance. Third, preparation of non-volatile substance from a volatile substance, for example of distillation water of injection. Fractional versus simple distillation. In simple distillation, vapor is directly passed through the condenser, whereas in fractional distillation, the vapor must be passed through fractioning column in which partial condensation of vapor is allowed to occur. In simple distillation, condensation is collected directly into a receiver, while in fractional distillation, condensation takes place in fractioning column so that a part of condensation vapor returns to still. Our next slide is advantages. First, it is extremely easy to use. Second, readily purify complex mixture. Third, separate liquid with smaller boiling point separation. Next slide is disadvantages. First, it cannot be used to separate miscible liquid from which mixture. Second, consume more energy. Third, setup is costly and complicated. Fourth, takes long time for liquid to distill.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.